What's up, friends? This is CryptoGoat, and today we are going to talk about the ever so buzzing Pi Network. So the Pi Network is a free app you can download on your phone. Basically, you mine a cryptocurrency that's up and coming in the hopes that in the future it's going to be worth something. Very simply put, that's what it is. So there actually has been a recent update as of yesterday, which is good to see because I've been doing this for a couple weeks. I'm still fairly new. I only have 233 Pi that's been registered on my account. So I'm going to answer a few very basic questions. If you guys aren't started already, I'm going to provide a link down in the description on how you can join my circle, which right now I only have 4 people. So I'm pretty selective on who I have. But the way to get started and how all this works is you have to be referred by a trusted member of the Pi network already. So basically what the whole concept of this app is every person that gets referred and joins comes from somebody trusted. So when that person refers somebody, then they are assumed to be trusted. So we're effectively creating a pyramid of trusted networks that are going to be used through the phone in the future. That app's going to be upgraded to where you can actually have a node on your phone. So you're going to be able to confirm those transactions that'll be happening once that coin has value, so on and so forth. So really it's an ingenious method. The more people that actually download this app and the more people that are active in it, the more people that mine and the more people that are verified as human, it's going to have a substantial benefit to the network itself because it's going to add so much more power, so much more verification to the overall network. So basically all you have to do is go onto the Google Play or Apple Play Store, download the Pi Network app. It will have this little symbol right here, and it's going to bring up a box that you're going to have to put a referral code into. So if you are interested after this video, that is basically how you get started, and I'll supply the information down in the description. So the first thing we're going to do is go on to their website, and they have a little bit of a teaser video. We are going to watch that, and that will give you just kind of like a basic hype about what the story of Pi is.
The future of money is evolving rapidly, and no one wants to be left behind. Mining Bitcoin is time and energy intensive, requires extensive physical resources, and advanced technical knowledge. Introducing Pi, the first and only digital currency you can mine on your phone. That's big. This novel approach, developed by Stanford PhDs, allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no cost and no battery drain. Have a phone? You've got Pi. It's time to join the revolution. Download Pi today for Apple or Android and get your piece of the pie.
Okay, so that's kind of like their little hype video there. Pi is really an interesting concept. There's some really intelligent people that are behind it. Let's take a look at their team here. Oh, well, of course we do. We gotta make sure that I'm a real person here. So let's go through and check the buses. Bus. Good bus. Alright. Yeah. So we have Dr. Nicholas, who's the head of technology, a Stanford PhD. Okay, we have, again, Stanford PhD, Yale and Stanford trained. So, you know, going through, we do have some intelligent folks that have been, you know, involved with or are saying that they are the minds to this project. And it's really amazing. I mean, it's a really ingenious concept. So you get a huge amount of this coin out to the world for free. And basically what you do in return for that coin is you are saying you will be part of the network. So every person that's part of the network is being rewarded for being part of the network. And that's on a very basic level. That's just downloading the app under somebody's referral. So then you can go into some of the more extensive things, which I have done, which I'll show you real quick, which is the node. So in the future, the node, and as you can see, I haven't actually been accepted, but it is effectively going to make it to where you are part of the network deeper than what the phone is, and that you are actually able to go farther, verify transactions, get rewarded for verifying transactions. You will be part of the core of the blockchain, which is kind of basically what a node is going to be in any other blockchain. It's going to be the same as what it's going to be for Pi. A little more difficult. You need to have Windows 10 Pro to really get it to work correctly. And you also have to go through and have Docker, make sure Docker is running appropriately, make sure you have ports that are open. These are going to be the ports that communicates through Pi. So again, we're not going to get too technical because this is getting into a whole nother can of worms right here, but this just kind of shows that this is what the developers are trying to do on a mobile version, which is what the app is that everybody's downloading. So basically, I'm just personally going one step further because I really have a lot of hope in this project, and I really expect it to go places. So again, as you can see over here, I only have 4 people. So my network's at 80%. Basically, at 5 people, as soon as I add 5 people to my security circle, people that I trust, that verifies to the network that I am vouching for 5 new members. So then those 5 people, each one, assumably, will get 5 more, and each one of those 5 will get 5. So you can kind of understand how the spider web or the triangle, the pyramid is being formed there. So I'm just a member, along with millions of others that are in this. But the only way to be part of and earn, is to take the leap to join. So let's go to the website real quick. Talks a little bit about the mobile app here. Again, that's what it's going to look like. You can go to the website, which is mindpi.com, and then /# download will bring you to where you can click on either one of these, which you can actually install on your PC. You will want to have this on your phone. You don't necessarily want to have it on your computer. The computer is only going to benefit you if you want to be a node. If you don't want to be a node at this particular point, don't mess with it. You don't have to have it on your computer. The phone is going to be the most accurate way, because that's going to be what you use all the time. So that's going to be what they bank on people having. So there is a comment section on the website, which I haven't really had anything major that I've had to get a hold of them about. Everything's been pretty self-explanatory. It's a very simple interface for people. Once you get to the website, you can also go to the white paper, which, if you don't know, the white paper is kind of like the legal mumbo jumbo. Just lets you know exactly what's going to go on, all the different steps. Everything's laid out, exactly why they're doing it, what they're doing. Again, we're trying to make a short video here just to kind of explain some very basics on it. So we're not going to go too much, but one thing I do want to mention, if you're into crypto at all, Pi is going to be mimicking the Stellar Lumen protocol. So the Stellar Consensus Protocol is what it's formally called. If you do a little bit of research on that, it's going to kind of explain exactly how the thing works, how the simplicity is, but it's really not that difficult. So basically how Stellar works is you can purchase a coin with any currency, and the Stellar Lumen is going to hold its own value, but it can be traded off into any fiat currency. So this is going to be something that's set up off of that, pretty similar. So it'll be something that definitely has room to expand. And then this is talking about exactly what the different positions are. So I do want to go over this real quick, and then this will pretty much sum up what we have for the video today. So a pioneer is going to be the very first thing that you come into. Until you mine your Pi for 3 consecutive days for 72 consecutive hours, you will be into a pioneer. Once you move to the contributor, then you will be able to start adding people into your trust circle, and that's whenever you start actually becoming a blip on the radar. Again, an ambassador will be a user of the Pi app who's introducing other users to Pi Network. So basically, this is somebody that's getting out there and saying, hey, I don't know if you guys have heard about this, but this is what's going on out there. This is the project these folks have going on. Here's how you can get involved with it. Here's how it can be beneficial in the future. So that's what we're really wanting to aim for as far as our stance right now, because we definitely believe in what they are talking about. We definitely believe in the fact that basically giving away a free crypto in anticipation of it to gain value, you are giving access to so many different areas of the world, this currency that everybody can use for the same means. It's something that really hasn't been tackled yet. So if it's something that can be accomplished, it's going to be phenomenal. It's going to be absolutely crazy, and we want to be part of it, just like anybody wants to be part of the revolution. Most of us miss Bitcoin. I don't personally believe that Pi is going to be as big as Bitcoin by any means. It's going to be more of a regulated type of currency, but it's definitely got potential to go as high as the market lets it. I mean, that's all up to us. However high we make something worse, how high it goes. So again, nothing in this video is to be used as a solicitation or as investment advice. Really can't invest in it because there's no value to it. But again, make all your own decisions based off your own research. I'm super excited about the Pi network. I've seen a few videos out there explaining on what Pi is, but not very many. So I kind of wanted to give my 2 cents in and try to give you guys a little bit more of a informative stance on it, just to kind of explain the very basic cores. If there's anything more specific you'd like explained, just hit me up in the comments, and just as soon as possible, I'll get you guys another video.